This video is about sales commission. So let's start. What's sales commission? Sales commission is a key aspect of sales compensation. It is the amount of money a salesperson earns based on the sales they have made. To motivate and reward salespeople, companies pay out a certain percentage to salespeople based on sales revenue. Normally, the more the sales revenue, the more the sales amount. Let's look at the spreadsheet where sales and commission rates were provided. In the spreadsheet, you can see that amount of sale was given. Now we need to compute salesperson for individual salesperson. At first, we have to put equal sign, then type if, then double click on it. If 75,000 less than or equal 1 lakh, comma 75,000 multiplied by 2.50%, then comma type if, then double click, then if 75% less than or equal 2 lakh, comma 75,000 multiplied by 5%, then comma, then 75% multiplied by 7%, close the bracket and press the enter key. Now we have to put $sign here. So then take it up to 15th serial. So in this way you can compute sales commission. Thanks for watching the video.